Hello, traders. Andy here from Trade Ideas, and it is April the 25th on a Tuesday. And taking a look at the market, yesterday was the lowest volume we've had all year. So we're going absolutely nowhere right now, really fast. It's a good time, maybe sit on your hands, see, wait for the direction. But there has been some opportunity out there. It's it's hard to get any direction in any for several days on any stock. But let's take a look. In the Qs pretty much look the same way. I'm not going to show them, but let's take a look at some opportunity. We always want to do that because there's always a bull market somewhere. So let's take a look at this TGTX. I like what I'm seeing here. Okay, just that 10 period moving average rising up, and you have a breakout right here above this high going back to the monthly high there. Keep an eye on that one. That would be a multi-month high. uh, Nike's looking pretty good, actually. Pulled it up, Nike, and there you got a nice little pivot level. You got a high there, there. So if it does get above this 127.60, you might want to keep an eye on Nike. It could try to approach that 131.25 level. Spotify on earnings, okay, 52-week high. It is gapping up about 7 or 8%. Makes it kind of tough, but nonetheless, this could be a high flyer. So keep an eye on that. Spotify, maybe see how it reacts in the first 30 minutes, and if it takes out that 30-minute high, it could be worth a little swing trade there. Last one is Osher, and this is just one that I think feels like it wants to go pretty soon. And let me just type it in because I'm not seeing it on my screen. I know it's there, I just cannot pick it up. But there you have it. If it does break above this 720 level, this is could get going really good. All right, guys, have a great day.